You are currently living through a biological countdown that ends in approximately 30,000 days. Over 11,000 of those pages have already been ripped out of your book. Most people spend these days in a time blindness trap, making years feel like months. There is a way to hijack this system and build quiet momentum. The science of brain rot versus brain power. Your brain is either getting sharper or weaker every single day. We gorge on cheap dopamine from endless scrolling. You pay a switching cost that exhausts your prefrontal cortex. Through neuroplasticity, you can physically reshape your brain structure. You are building new neural highways that make success the default setting. The 20-minute focus block, the 90-second rule, strategic biphasic reflection, the two-list strategy. Micro workouts create immediate mental clarity. To learn anything faster, explain it to someone else. Read 10 pages a day. Ask what happens after that. Allow yourself to be bored. Sleep is when your brain flushes out toxins. Humans worked only 15 to 20 hours a week. Real trust is built through the right amount of vulnerability. Weak ties are bridges to new ideas and opportunities. Wealthy minds buy experiences. Ask your 90-year-old self if this decision matters. Manage energy, not time. Design your environment so the right choice is the easiest one. Ask, how could I guarantee failure? You just need to be the one who doesn't stop. The dinosaurs only got their shot because a 2 million-year rainstorm changed the planet. You are more than your employment. All of human history is one kernel. Small daily actions always beat rare, intense bursts of effort. You are the survivor of the survivors of the survivors. A mind that scares people is simply a mind that has returned to its natural state. Your 30,000 days are ticking away. Pick one habit from this list and execute it for 20 minutes today. If you're ready to stop being a spectator in this stadium of life, which one of these 30 habits are you starting today? Hey,